This distinctive sneaker, which combines performance and style, honors the Washington Nationals with distinctive color schemes and design cues that mirror the team's recognizable logo. The Air Max 270's Big Air unit in the heel, which provides excellent cushioning and comfort for all-day wear, highlights the silhouette. Because of its mesh covering, which provides flexibility and airflow, the shoe is ideal for both laid-back get-togethers and intense gaming days. With the subtle incorporation of the Nationals' colors and logos, fans can support their team while still savoring the cutting-edge style and technology that the Nike Air Max series is renowned for. The Nike Air Max 270 Washington Nationals are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they also perfectly capture the qualities of style and functionality that Nike is known for. It is the perfect choice for people who lead active lives without sacrificing style because of the combination of breathable fabrics and a snug fit, which provide the best support possible.